Hello everyone, I'm MT Chai and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to use skip logic in Google Form. Skip logic, also known as branch logic. What is meant by skip logic in the survey? It is a survey where it decides what question or page the respondents will see next based on their answer to the current question. So let's get into the process of exactly how to do it. Okay, I will explain the process of applying the skip logic using the form I've made here. When doing skip logic in a survey, the two things you need to remember are the skip logic method only works for a multiple choice question, and the form must have sections so that the respondents can skip a particular page or question based on their answer. My multiple choice question is, do you shop online? And the options are yes and no. Now tap the equal sign here to insert a section. Then add a title for this section. I want to name it Most Bought Online Items. Now I'm going to move this question to section 2. And I'm going to make both of these questions as required questions by clicking this little slider button. Once all done, click the vertical dots over here. Tap on Go to Section based on answer. If the respondent chooses yes, then I want them to go to section 2, which consists of this question. But if they answer no, they can directly submit the form. Let's see how it works. Tap on the preview. Do you shop online? No. The form is submitted. Let's see what happens when I say yes. Submit another response. Do you shop online? Yes. Click next. What items do you usually shop online? Write your answer here. My answer is clothing and tag accessories. Then click submit. Okay, the form is successfully submitted. See, it works amazingly. You can also try previewing your form to check whether the form works based on your preferences. No worries about the responses part because you can delete your responses. To do that, click on the responses. Hit the vertical dots at the top here. Click delete all responses. That's all, as simple as that. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and do visit my Instagram page for more thesis related content. Also check out my latest videos shown here. Thank you for your love and support, and thanks for watching.